हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का रमन क्लासेस की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो फॉर क्लास 7 CBSE सब्जेक्ट साइंस NCERT बेस्ड चैप्टर नेम न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट। दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, वेरी नाइस चैप्टर फॉर यू students. You will maintain the concentration, you will do more focus towards this video, and without skipping it you will maintain the continuity at the end of this video if you want to get a lot of grip in the subject matter. Before explanation about this chapter, I would like to give message to the students. Hard work always brings success in your life. Hard work always brings success in your life. So always identify time. Surely time will make you the best identification in future. तो आइए देखते हैं. Here the chapter is nutrition in plant. बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में हम आप लोगों को सबसे पहले बताएंगे कि न्यूट्रिशन क्या है और न्यूट्रिशन लिविंग बीइंग के लिए क्यों जरूरी है, कितना टाइप्स का न्यूट्रिशन होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोसीड. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय न्यूट्रिशन? न्यूट्रिशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंटेकिंग ऑफ फूड, इट्स डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड एसिमिलेशन ऑफ एनर्जी which is also stored in the form of ATP in the body cell, which is essential for sustaining life. That is called as nutrition. I have already written here the process of intaking of food, its oxidation. फूड जब ऑक्सीजन के कांटेक्ट में आता है तो फूड इज ऑल्सो ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. फूड का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. दिस कैन कॉज स्प्लिटिंग डाउन ऑफ फूड इनटू द स्मॉलर वंस बाय द इफेक्ट ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव यूसेज or by the effect of any other chemicals. After oxidation, food is changed completely into the simpler ones. Then all the food nutrients is also utilized by the body cells by the absorption method. Further, when the food nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, water, roughage, this goes in the body cell. It also produces a lot of energy in the form of ATP. Full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. That energy is enough for rapid growth of the cell, for the cell enlargement, for the cell division, for the cell differentiation. If we want to overall development of the living beings, there is a need of nutrition. Nutrition is the first and foremost need of us. Nutrition is the first and foremost need of us. That is essential. For this point of view, each and every living being follow the nutrition process. Now I am going to explain how many types of nutrition are there. There are mainly two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic or another is heterotrophic. Here come to the point. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic, this is made of two words. ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ होता है और न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स टू प्रिपेयर फूड बाय द ग्रीन प्लांट बाय सेल्फ. टू प्रिपेयर फूड बाय द ग्रीन प्लांट बाय सेल्फ. दिस मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज सेड टू बी autotrophic nutrition. Again, I would like to dictate this one. The mode of nutrition in which green plants make their own food by using raw material, carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. Generally, green plants follow this type of nutrition. Do you know what are the raw materials required for manufacture of food by the green plant? So only two raw materials, carbon dioxide and water. These are the two raw materials required to maintain preparation of food. Two accessory factors are there, such as sunlight and chlorophyll. These are the two supporting factors which helps to carry out photosynthesis by which food is manufactured, जिसके द्वारा की फूड बनता है. The photosynthesis, why this process is named as photosynthesis? Since the food manufacturing in plants takes place in the presence of sunlight as well as by the action of chlorophyll pigment. That's why this process is also said to be photosynthesis process. Do you know what is photosynthesis? The process of manufacture of food. The process of manufacture of food by green plants by utilization of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process, this biological process, this biochemical process is said to be photosynthesis. What kind of chemical reaction involved during autotrophic nutrition? So this is CO2 plus H2O. These are the raw material by photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process. This gives C6H12O6 plus O2. We will also balance. कार्बन की संख्या 6 है, कार्बन को 6 कर देंगे, हाइड्रोजन की संख्या 12, 6 देने से 6 2 12 हो जाता है, ऑक्सीजन 6 2 12 अब प्लस 6 18, यहाँ है ऑक्सीजन 6, यहाँ 6 देने से 6 2 12 होता है, 12 plus 6 18. In this way chemical equation is balanced. Question is asked that give a balanced chemical equation involved in photosynthesis performed by green plants. So you will write this chemical equation. What are the necessary factors required for photosynthesis? The sunlight and chlorophyll, these are the necessary factors. These are the supporting factors. After a while, I will explain about the heterotrophic nutrition just now. तो चलिए बच्चों, आइए तो जाने अब सेकेंड मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, that is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutrition, this is made of two words, hetero and nutrition. Hetero means other or nutrition means food preparation. When the organism gets food from the other and also takes shelter from the other, this mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organism gets food from the other and also gets shelter from the other is called heterotrophic nutrition. Children, pay attention. The mode of nutrition in which organism gets food, organism अपना food प्राप्त करता है from the other, किसी दूसरे organism से, and also gets shelter from the other, और दूसरे से उसको shelter भी मिलता है, रहने की जगह भी मिलता है. This mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. As for example, our alimentary canal also contains roundworm. How does roundworm get food? The roundworm also gets food from our body, whatever food is absorbed, whatever food is stored in our body. So, nutrition followed by roundworm. Nutrition followed by roundworm living in human intestine. Human intestine में रहने वाला microorganism, रहने वाला parasite, that is roundworm. This roundworm also gets food from human intestine. Further, this mode of nutrition is parasitic nutrition. Tapeworm found in pig intestine. Pig intestine में प्रेजेंट टैपवर्म, इसका फूड कहाँ से मिलता है? तो दिस ऑल्सो गेट्स फूड फ्रॉम पिग, वो पिग से ही उसको फूड मिलता है। तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इट इज, दैट इज हेटेरोट्रॉफिक। दिस हेटेरोट्रॉफिक इज ऑफ 3 टाइप्स, या 3 टाइप्स का है, 3 टाइप्स ऑफ हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन। नंबर 1 पैरासाइटिक, सेकेंड सेप्रोफाइटिक, और थर्ड होलोजोइक। पैरासाइटिक, द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन in which organism gets food from the other and also gets sheltered in the body of host or outside the body of host. That is called as parasitic nutrition. Just I have given the example. Nutrition followed by roundworm. Nutrition followed by roundworm in human intestine में रहने वाला roundworm. What kind of mode of nutrition is followed? This follow is the mode of nutrition parasitic. Lice, L-I-C-E, lice present on our head. This also follow is the mode of nutrition parasitic. सेप्रोफाइटिक, सेप्रो का मतलब डेड होता है। फाइटिक, द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन विच एन ऑर्गेनिज्म कंज्यूम्स डेड और डिकेइंग मैटर एज फूड। द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन विच एन ऑर्गेनिज्म कंज्यूम्स, लिख देते हैं, ऑर्गेनिज्म कंज्यूम्स डेड और decaying matter as food. Example हो गया mushroom. That is mushroom follows the saprophytic nutrition. Further, we also explain about holozoic nutrition. होलो का मतलब होता है सेलो, होलो का मतलब होता है सेलो, निगलना। द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन विच द लिविंग बीइंग कंज्यूम्स फूड विदाउट च्यूइंग देम। दिस मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज कॉल्ड एज होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन। एग्जाम्पल, न्यूट्रिशन फॉलोड बाय ह्यूमन, न्यूट्रिशन फॉलोड बाय ह्यूमन, कैट और रैट। हम लोग भोजन को चबाते नहीं, भोजन को माउथ में चलाते हैं। तो दैट इज अ होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन विदाउट च्यूइंग देम। दिस इज कंप्लीटली इनगल्फ्ड। सो न्यूट्रिशन फॉलोड बाय ह्यूमन, कैट, बैट, रैट, दिस इज ऑल्सो होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन। चिल्ड्रेन, you have got much elementary ideas about nutrition in plant. How many types of nutrition are there? Today, in today's video, I have just explained this one. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो आपको यदि अच्छा लगा हो, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ाया हो, तो कृपया रमन क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। Press the bell icon, share to your friends, as well as never forget to do comments in my comment box, so that I will give you a simplified solution when you give me your problem in comment box. लेते हैं तब तक के लिए विदा, और फिर आते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ। धन्यवाद।